Hi, I'm Andrew Wilwarding, and I will be presenting a comparison of two websites. These websites are North Carolina State's online and distance education site and East Carolina's online education site. I picked these two sites because I am personally interested in continuing my education online after my undergrad, as perhaps some of you are as well. In my particular case, I wanted to know how a mechanical engineer like myself could transition to an online master's program in computer science. It turned out that both sites contained the information I needed, but I will be focusing on the user experience the two websites gave me on my journey. First, I will define the criteria that I will use to compare the user experience of the two sites. Then I will go through each site individually and judge it by these criteria. Finally, I will conclude by comparing the overall experience of the two websites. The criteria I use is simple. 1. Visual appeal. 2. Ease of use. And 3. Logical links. For visual appeal, I look at such things as the color scheme, the use of pictures, and the overall impression. Ease of use mainly refers to how easy it is for me to find the next link or the information I'm looking for on that page. Finally, for logical links, I judge whether the link destination made sense in regard to its name. That is, does each link lead to what I would expect? Starting with NC State's online distance website, you can see that the home page is mostly occupied by a picture that goes nicely with the color scheme. Clearly visible in the corner of this picture is a big red button that says Explore Programs. This takes you to a list of programs. Next to the title of each program is an appropriate picture. Not only do the pictures make the site more attractive, but they also assisted me in finding what I was looking for. I could tell at a glance whether the option had anything to do with computer science simply from the picture. In terms of visual appeal and ease of use, I have to give NC State's site high marks. What about the logical flow of the links? The first link was the Explore Programs button. This sensibly led to a list of programs. Unfortunately, the page only listed 5 options per page, but there was a helpful link that opened the list up to all the options. From there, I quickly scanned until I found the computer science link. This link led me to the page containing the information I was looking for: eligibility to begin the computer science degree. Using the NC State website was as easy as 1, 2, 3. With 3 clicks, I was where I wanted to be. ECU's online education homepage was set up similarly to NC State's, with a colorful picture that fit in nicely with the color scheme. However, there was no Programs button, but I can easily scroll down to where there are 6 options, each with a corresponding picture. Clicking on the online Programs link, I'm taken to a similarly structured page with 5 pictures and options. I am looking for graduate degrees, so I click on that option. This brings me to the generic list of degree options. Finding computer science, I follow that link. This page is a generic graduate school page with a plain button in the middle of the page that says Program Website. This takes me to the Department of Computer Science site. From there, I have to find the Graduates drop-down menu where I can click on the MS and Computer Science link. At this point, I am almost to where I need to go. I scroll down to the section called Degree Requirements and find the in-text link Current Graduate Catalog. This link finally leads me to the information I needed. Although the visual appeal started well, it became less appealing with the later links. Also, this was a much more convoluted process than expected. For this reason, this site deserves low marks for ease of use. In total, it took 6 clicks to get to the place I needed to go. It seemed that a few of these links were unnecessary or even misleading. The link for computer science in the list of degree options should have gone straight to the page containing the degree requirements. This would have cut 2 links out of the process. In short, the links did not flow in a logical manner. Comparing the two sites, the NC State site proved superior both qualitatively and quantitatively. Qualitatively in terms of visual appeal and ease of use, and quantitatively in terms of logical links. Although both home pages were similarly appealing, each of the pages on NC State's site incorporated attractive pictures, but some of ECU's pages were text only. The next link was always obvious for State's site, but some of ECU's links were buried in text or drop-down menus. In terms of link logic, NC State's site was quantifiably better. To find the necessary information, NC State's site required only 3 clicks. ECUs required twice as many clicks, 6. In the end, both sites contained the information I needed, but one site made the process easier and more pleasant. When trying to decide between two graduate schools, the quality of their websites can have a great influence on one's perception of the school in general. Based on their websites alone, NC State would definitely win out over ECU. If you wish to explore these websites for yourself, the links are here. Thank you for listening.